Let me introduce to you this Dyson Animal upright vacuum. We had it for 12 years now, and the suction, I can't even explain it to you. I love how you could maneuver it all around, to the sides, under the couch, with this ball technology maneuverability. It adapts to different floor types really quickly. I could vacuum my hardwood floor, but I used this handle right here to get into all these tight corners. This wand I use so often. I literally prefer to use it. I could get into anything and make it clean. I absolutely love this. There's also like an animal attachment. You could take animal hair off, or attachment to clean the tops of cabinets, and so much more. It's nice with this little brush. You could get into any little spots and clean them. You can vacuum your car even with it. Very convenient. Take out the dustbin. You just press this red button down, and then you press it again, and I put it into a old grocery bag, and the bottom lid comes down and all the trash comes out. I empty it about once a month, and I vacuum 1 to 2 times a day. If this vacuum dies, I'm gonna get another one of these.